Hello everyone and welcome back to another Easy Way video where I'm going to show you this new airdrop. So Wilder World is calling all the people to join the Odyssey Wild airdrop where we will receive the Wild token, the currency of World's economy. This is a game. So as you can see, you have to visit the Wilder World airdrop dashboard and connect your wallet. The second step is to complete basic tasks like profile setup and daily check-ins to earn the shards. And the third step is to boost the rewards by linking your social accounts and following Wilder World. If you refer your friend to, you can earn 10% of their points and 5% from their referrals. So you have to hold these tokens to get a lot of money. So if this video was useful for you, I will let the link on the description and see you next time in another easy way video. Remember to follow, comment, share, like and press the bell in the subscription button for new airdrops and notifications. Goodbye.